Alright, going to give this a try on 6S. Probably going to blow it up. I don't know. We've got the batteries all the way up to the front. They're small enough to get nice and far forward, which is the main thing that this needs. It just hates the weight at the back. So let's see if we blow it up or not. Yeah, I can already see it's driving better. It's not all the way to the back for a change. Pick it up a bit.
Oh, it's just like riding on the prop. Wow.
I'm scared to give it too much.
Yeah. I can't imagine why. Wow, if you could hold that flat out, that would be... I
haven't floored it yet.
Oh, well, if you could hold it at wherever you just were then, even if it was like 3/4. That would be so fast.
Yeah.
If you could get it down.
I'm going to push the angle down.
Yep.
The motor.
Okay.
It's just like it runs wet when it's going slow.
Yeah.
And then when it picks up, it's
too much? Yeah. Well, I think you got the power to make it not be an issue.
Yeah. Okay. Gone down a fair way there.
I saw that, yep. You can see it.
I didn't realise I had that much to play with. Oh shit. I got a bit too confident.
We did a little...
Hold up just a touch. No.
Back on the floor.
So I think what we found out, if we push the thing down, it pushes the nose down when I accelerate. So I've pushed it back up again, and probably next time we just got to get the batteries up forward even more. So we'll just try it again. So different, right?
I don't know, it seems weird, yeah.
It was good before. On that last run where it flipped again, didn't have the angle up where it should have been, but that's okay. So what we learned is it likes the angle to be up like that, but I think we don't have enough area here. So what I need is, like, for this part here to act like a trim tab, so I need more area there. So what I'm going to do is make up another one of these that comes like out here, so when the boat wants to come up, it'll have this plate to, you know, push it down. At the moment, you know, this plate is sinking, what should I say, into the water. So I want this to be on top of the water when the boat tries to push up like that and push this down. So I don't think that's going to be a very hard mod to do. So I'll just take this off and I'll find some material and make up a nice wide one, and then take her out again with the prop all the way up, which is what it likes. Batteries forward, and hopefully I'll be able to see a little bit of full throttle and see what that does, because I definitely didn't get there on that run at any time.